Hello everyone. Introducing the sleek Motorola Book 60, a fusion of technology and style, perfect for the discerning eye of couture. Its elegant design and vibrant Pantone curated colors complement the latest trends, while its powerful performance seamlessly integrates into a fast-paced, fashionable lifestyle. Experience the intersection of innovation and high fashion. 1. Lightweight. This Moto Book 60 is lightweight, weighing just 1.4 kilograms, with a sleek design and high portability. Not only is it packed with exciting features, but it has a stylish outlook too. 2. Smart Connect. You can create your digital ecosystem by linking all your core devices. With the Smart Clipboard, you can copy on one device and paste on another. Plus, you can enjoy effortless connectivity across your Moto Book 60, tablet, and smartphone. Besides, the Swipe to Share function allows you to share files, pictures, and links across devices with a simple swipe. Furthermore, transferring files is quick, simple, and seamless. 3. OLED display. This Moto Book 60 enables you to dive deeper into every scene. With a spacious 35.36, 14:8K OLED display and 500 nits brightness, your content feels more lifelike and captivating. 4. Intel Core 5 processor. With the Intel Core 5 processor, combined with enormous memory and storage, this Moto Book 60 facilitates effortless performance. 5. Performance that never clocks. Get your drip on. Stunning Pantone registered trademark symbol curated colors. Bronze green. Easy to flaunt. Light yet loaded. Wedgwood. 1.4 kilograms light. Stream it, feel it. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos trademark symbol. Link up everything. Smart Connect. Link core devices to your Moto Book 60 and create a digital ecosystem. 6. Outlasts, outperforms, outshines. 60 Wh battery plus 65W charger. Intel Core. Pixels that pop. Spectacular. 14:8K OLED vertical bar 500 nits. Moto Book 60. Intel Core. Pixels that pop. Spectacular. 14:8K OLED vertical bar 500 nits. DD. Performance that never clocks out. Intel registered trademark symbol Core trademark symbol 5 processor. 16GB DDR5 RAM. 8. Performance that never clocks out. Intel registered trademark symbol Core trademark symbol 5 processor. 16GB DDR5 RAM. 9. Stunning Pantone registered trademark symbol curated colors. Wedgwood. Bronze green. 10. Motorola Book 60 price. Intel Core i5-10H, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 61,999 rupees, launch price. Intel Core i5-10H, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, 66,900 rupees. Intel Core i7-240H, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 73,999 rupees, launch price. Intel Core i7-240H, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, 78,990 rupees. Don't forget to like, comments, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.